Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we are going to be exploring the fundamental concepts of force and its various types. This unit will cover the definitions, the characteristics and real world examples of force in action. What is a force? A force is basically a vector quantity. It can change or tend to change the state of a body. Force can initiate or halt motion. It can also alter the speed or the direction. So we have two types of forces. The first is contact forces and the second is non-contact forces. So contact forces are those forces which require two objects to be physically touching. An example of a contact force is a bat hitting a cricket ball. Now, in contact force, we have a term which is known as normal force. The force is exerted perpendicularly by a surface. It supports the weight of an object, like a book on a table. Now, we have another term which is known as thrust force. Thrust force propels an object forward and it acts in the direction of motion. Examples include rockets and car engines. Now we have another term, it is known as friction force. Friction opposes relative motion between surfaces in contact. It always acts opposite to the direction of motion. And air resistance is also a specific type of friction. It acts through the air affecting moving particles. Now, tension force is another contact force. It is transmitted through flexible connectors. These include strings, ropes, cables, and springs. Pulling an object with a rope is a common example. Now, elastic forces arise when an object is deformed. They act to restore the object to its original shape. And common examples of these forces are found in stretched springs or rubber bands. They demonstrate the object's ability to return to normal. So here are the key takeaways we learned from this topic. We learned that force is a vector quantity that changes or tends to change a body or an object state. Contact forces require physical touch between objects, and we learn about the types like normal, thrust, friction, tension, and elastic forces as they are key examples. I hope you liked my lecture and you should subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can upload more videos for you guys and it will benefit me a lot. Thank you.